What's up YouTube? So in today's video we're going to be talking about everything what has to do with Instagram influencers. So it's going to be a full tutorial. I'm going to put everything you should know to run a successful campaign with Instagram influencers. So we're going to talk about how to contact Instagram influencers, how to spot fake accounts so you would not waste your money, how to structure your post, how to find high quality Instagram influencers, also for how long should you run your post to get the most out of it, and then in future scale it. So with that being said guys, let's just hop on my computer and let's just get started. Alrighty guys, so for our example we're going to use a fishing niche, and so let's say you want to go after fishing niche, so you're going to type in search in Instagram fishing. So this is the page that pop up. So for our example we're going to use this page. So first thing, how you contact the influencer. Usually they have something like that, you know, DM for promos, or they have email. Sometimes they use Kick. So you always want to go add them as you know, follow them and send them DM through your business page if you have your business page for your Shopify store, or from your personal, and also email them. Do both ways because there you increase your chances to respond. So the subject line you would like to use to grab their attention, I usually use, are you selling shoutouts and question mark, and if so, what are how much you charge and what are your rates. So this is the message you want to send them. So next thing, after you've done that, you will take a look on the page and see what is the engagement ratio. So normally I'm looking something around 7 to 10% in general. So as you see here, this post has 5,000 likes, this post is 2,000 likes. Here it has 42,000 views. This one is 700,000 views. So it's pretty good. It's very good page. Now let's see if they have like a fake comments, because sometimes you can see it has a lot of engagement, but sometimes they buy comments. So let's see on this post. So as you see, it has, okay, if you load more posts, it looks like these comments are real. What do you want to watch out for? If the comments has, you know, nice or awesome post or good, this is the red flag that they are buying comments, or these people are fake, or they partner up with other big pages, and this is how they, you know, create the engagement. So you want to look out on these comments. See, these comments look pretty real. People tag their friends and they interact with the post. So I would say this page real. But next extra step that I usually take, I go about and I use Social Blade. This is the this software, the website you can use in order to check if how was the growth of the page, and how they like if this page is real or not. So we're gonna take this username and paste it right here on Instagram. See if it's pop up. There you go. This page has B rank. So you go on the bottom, and here's it has like a scale where you can see if how was the growth. So here on this scale, what you want to look at, if it doesn't have like drastic, you know, drastic just changes, like line changes. Here, see, it was always this like gradually growing. So this is the first sign that this page is legit, and they didn't buy any likes and comments. So this is the second step that you want to take in order to make sure that this page is real. Next thing, what I usually do, and another extra step, you're gonna take again this the name of this page, the username, and you're gonna use the influencer engagement calculator. So you can just go on this website. It's called planks.com, and you're gonna paste here. All right, we're gonna delete this, and you're gonna click this page. Usually I'm looking here from 3 to 7% engagement ratio. So we're gonna click and wait. Sometimes it's lagging. All right, so here as you see guys, this engagement ratio is pretty low. It's 1%, and as I said before, I usually look something around 3 to 5%. So I wouldn't go with this page, because this calculator gives you like the total amount of posts that they had and comments and likes, and just calculate the engagement ratio. So see, just from this extra step. Now I wouldn't go with this influencer, but before everything was going really good. They had on the first site, they had a lot of views and likes and comments, and even then when we looked here, like everything was looking good. But next step with here, as you see, is the engagement rate in general overall is pretty low, so I wouldn't go with this page. So next thing, what you want to do, you want to find at least 20 to 50 pages like this, and then send them your message. So the easiest way to find these pages is this magic button right here. You click here, and this shows you all the similar pages to this one, very lookalike pages that you can contact and see if they're selling shoutouts. So then you just go click and go over all of these pages. You're going to open all these pages and take a look on every single page. How are they doing? If they have, so basically the same system as I was just telling you. So let's just, for example, just out of curiosity, let's just check this page because it looks legit so far. Comments look real. Let's check here on engagement calculator how much it's gonna show us. This has 1.5%, so it's a little bit higher. So you could use this page, but I would still look at least 3%. So we just go all of these pages and find the one that looks better than 3 to 5%, and also check that they don't have fake comments. So next thing that I usually look at, if they are not flooded with promotions, because sometimes if people promote on one page a lot of different products, the audience get so oversaturated with all these products, and it doesn't make for you even sense to run your promotion on that page because they get so many people promoting. But this page looks like nobody really was promoting recently, or they were deleting the post, so you can really tell. But this is the next thing you want to take a look if it doesn't have a lot of promotions. Even though it doesn't necessarily mean or have to scare you off. You just have to look how often they promote on the page. Now when you found the pages you contacted and you made sure that they are real and they have a high engagement ratio and they fit your needs, now you're waiting for their response. After they responded, you would always ask them for three things: for story, for a link in the bio, and also a post on the page. You want to ask them for this full package and how much they charge. So you guys don't want to pay more than $50 for this full package on the pages from 100,000 followers till 500,000 followers. So you're looking something around from $15 to $50 on these pages from 100,000 again till 500,000 followers, and you're looking and you're asking them for this full package. It's story, ad, then link in the bio, and the post right here. After that, you're negotiating the deal with them. If everything is working out for you and for them, so you go ahead and move the post. So now, how you structure your post. So I will put on the screen right now the screenshot of how would you like to structure your post. Make sure, guys, you don't go crazy with emojis and don't exaggerate with the scarcity. Don't put a lot of like comments like "is the last one," you gotta get it right now, or it's gone forever and stuff like that. You want to build some scarcity. Say something like it's limited edition or it's for a limited time, only next 24 hours. But don't put like sentences and bunch of words that it's only 2 minutes left, it's the last one in the collection and it's gone forever. Don't exaggerate with scarcity. Also, you want to add your page on the promotion post, so you would organically grow your page. So now in future you wouldn't have to pay for every promotion, because if you do, let's say, 5 to 10 Instagram influencers promotions every month. So now you can grow organically your page, and in future you wouldn't have to look for another audience because these people would follow your page. So this is, guys, how you work successfully with Instagram influencers. Remember, it's just a small piece of the whole puzzle, of the whole picture. Because if your website looks sketchy, it's not gonna work. If your ad is excellent but website's sketchy and something scares people off, it's not gonna work. If your product is not catered to that audience that you advertise on that page, it's still not gonna work. So as I'm saying, it's just small piece of the ad, and the Instagram influencer is just small piece of the whole picture. So make sure you found the great product that catered to that audience, and the product is good and the people would like that product. And also make sure that your website looks legitimate. So everything should be like a one piece and alignment with each other. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If this video helped you out, some of these things going on at the bottom, so just click like if you found some value. And to leave your comments, so what you would like to see in the next video, I will make sure to reply to you and make this video for you. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Saying, oh Lord, here they come. Yeah, here we come. Here we come. Here we come. Here we come. I used to think that people die because they wicked. Nowadays, people want to see you dead because you get